Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Evelyn. In case you're new here, karibu sana. Today we are going to prepare a Kenyan cuisine known as Matoke. This food is widely known in Kenya and a lot of people prepare them. It's so easy to make and it's very tasty. So without further ado, let's head right straight to the video. Peel your green bananas and your potatoes and put them inside water. For our ingredients, we are going to use 2 large tomatoes, pre-boiled meat, coconut powder, 1 large onion, and a tablespoon of garlic and ginger. In your sufuria, put some oil, then we'll go ahead and put our onions, fry them. When your onions are translucent, add in your finely chopped garlic and ginger. Cook it for some 2 minutes. Then add in the pre-boiled meat and let them cook together until all the flavors are well incorporated. Now add in a tablespoon of curry powder and some salt to taste. So far, if you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you can get notified. Now add in your bananas, mix them well, add some water, then cover it and let them cook. After 20 minutes of cooking, now we'll check if our bananas are cooked, and as you can see, the wooden spoon can pass through, so that means our bananas are cooked. Now take the coconut powder, dissolve it in warm water, then we are going to add it on top of our ingredients here. So mix them together, then let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add in your coriander leaves, voila! Our matoke is cooked and ready to serve. The aroma is so good, guys. I hope you try this recipe out and let me know in the comment section. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you can get notified. And I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and until we meet on our next video, bye bye, guys.